area, CSA, of a right circular cone is 12,320 centimeters squared. If t, radius of its base is 56 centimeters, find its slant height. Formula used: CS equals PRL solution, given CSA is equal to 12,320 centimeters squared, equals 56 cm. 12320 equals P times 56 times L implies L equals 12320 over denominator, pi times 56 n denominator. Using P equals 3.142, L equals 12320 over denominator, 3.142 times 56 n denominator equals 70 cm. Answer: the slant height is 70 centimeters. Problem 2. There are two cones. The CSA of one is twice that of the other. The slant height of the latter is twice that of the former. Find the ratio of their radii. Formula used: alert window. Surface area class 9 insert PSBB, word window. Formula used: CS equals PRL solution, let the radius and slant height of the first cone be R sub 1 and L sub 1. For the second cone, let the radius be R sub 2 and the slant height be L sub 2 equals 2L sub 1. Numerator: pi R sub 2 times 2L sub 1 and numerator, over denominator, pi R sub 1 times L sub 1, and denominator equals 2 implies numerator, 2R sub 2 and numerator, over R sub 1 equals 2 simplifying, R sub 2 equals 2R sub 1. Thus, the ratio of their radii is R sub 1, R sub 2 equals 1, 4. Answer: the ratio of their radii is 1, 4. Problem 3. The radius and the slant height of a cone are in the ratio 4, 7. If its CSA is 792 centimeters squared, find its radius. Formula used: CS equals PRL solution, let the radius of the cone be equals 4x and the slant height equals 7x. We are given P times L equals 792 implies P times 4x times 7x equals 792. Substituting P equals 3.142. 3.142 times 28x squared equals 792 implies x squared equals 792 over denominator, 3.142 times 28 n denominator, x squared equals 9 implies z equals 3. Thus, the radius is equals 4x equals 4 times 3 equals 12 cm. Answer: the radius is 12 centimeters. Problem 4. The circumference of the base of the cone is 44 centimeters and its curved surface area is 550 centimeters squared. Find the slant height, radius, and height of the cone. Formulas used: circumference, caps equals 2 pi r CSA of cone, CS equals PRL. Pythagoras theorem, L squared equals squared plus squared solution, find the radius of the base. 2 pi r equals 44 implies equals 44 over 2 pi. Substituting P equals 3.142, equals 44 over denominator, 2 times. Speed decreased to 30%. Equals 44 over denominator, 2 times 3.142 n denominator equals 7 cm. Find the slant height. Pi RL equals 550 implies 3.142 times 7 times L equals 550. L equals 550 over denominator. 3.142 times 7 n denominator equals 25 cm. Find the height using the Pythagorean theorem. L squared equals R squared plus squared implies 25 squared equals 7 squared plus squared. 625 equals 49 plus squared implies h squared equals 576 implies equals 24 cm. Answer. The radius is 7 centimeters. The slant height is 25 centimeters. And the height is 24 centimeters. Problem 5. The CSA of an ice cream cone of slant height 12 centimeters is 113.04 centimeters squared. Find the base radius and the height of the cone. Formulas used. CSA of a cone. CS equals PRL Pythagoras theorem. L squared equals R squared plus squared. Solution. Find the base radius. Pi RL equals 113.04 implies 3.142 times 12 equals 113.04. R equals 113.04 over denominator. 3.142 times 12 n denominator equals 3 cm. Find the height using the Pythagorean theorem. L squared equals R squared plus squared implies 12 squared equals 3 squared plus squared. 144 equals 9 plus squared implies h squared equals 135 implies equal square root of 135 almost equal to 11.62 cm. Answer. The base radius is 3 centimeters. And the height is approximately 11.62 centimeters. Here is the continuation of problems 6 to 15 with each question, basic formula, and detailed solution. Problem 6. How many meters of cloth with 1.1 m width will be required to make a conical tent whose slant height is 12 m and base radius is 16 m? Find also the cost of the cloth at the rate of 14 rupees per meter. Formula used. CS equals PRL. Solution. Find the curved surface area, CSA, of the tent. CS equals P times 16 times 12 using P equals 3.142. CS equals 3.142 times 16 times 12 equals 602.46 m squared. Find the length of the cloth required. Length of cloth equals CSA over width equals 602.46 over 1.1 equals 547.69 m. Find the cost of the cloth. Cost equals 547.69 times 14 equals 7667.66 rupee. Answer. The length of the cloth required is 547.69 m, and the cost is rupee 7667.66. Problem 7. The radius of a conical tent is 7 m and the height is 24 m. Calculate the length of the canvas needed to make the tent if the width of the rectangular canvas is 4 m. Formulas used. Pythagoras theorem. L squared equals R squared plus squared CSA of a cone. CS equals PRL. Solution. Find the slant height L. L squared equals R squared plus squared implies L squared equals 7 squared plus 24 squared. L squared equals 49 plus 576 equals 625 implies L equals square root of 625 equals 25 m. Find the curved surface area. CS equals P times 7 times 25 equals 3.142 times 7 times 25 equals 549.85 m squared. Find the length of the canvas required. Length of canvas equals CSA over width equals 549.85 over 4 equals 137.5 m. Answer. The length of the canvas required is 137.5 m. Problem 8. Find the radius of a solid hemisphere if its total surface area, TSA, is 4,158 square centimeters. Formula used. TS equals 3 pi r squared. Solution. 3 pi r squared equals 4158. Substitute P equals 3.142. 3 times 3.142 times R squared equals 4158. 9.426 times R squared equals 4158 implies R squared equals 4158 over 9.426 equals 441. R equals square root of 441 equals 21 cm. Answer. The radius of the hemisphere is 21 centimeters. Problem 9. A spherical ball has a surface area of 2,464 square centimeters. Find the radius of the ball correct to 2 decimal places. Use P equals 3.142. Formula used. Surface area equals 4 pi r squared. Solution. 4 pi r squared equals 2464. Substitute P equals 3.142. 4 times 3.142 times R squared equals 2464 implies 12.568 times R squared equals 2464. R squared equals 2464 over 12.568 equals 196 implies R equals square root of 196 equals 14 cm. Answer. The radius of the ball is 14 centimeters. Problem 10. The total cost of making a spherical ball is 33,957 rupees at the rate of 7 rupees per cubic meter. What will be the radius of the ball? Formula used. Volume of a sphere equals 4/3 per cubed. Solution. Find the volume of the sphere. The total cost is. Cost equals 7 times volume implies volume equals 33957 over 7 equals 4851 m cubed. Use the formula for the volume of a sphere. 4/3 per cubed equals 4851. Substituting P equals 3.142. 4/3 times 3.142 times R cubed equals 4851. 4.189 times R cubed equals 4851 implies R cubed equals 4851 over 4.189 almost equal to 158.1. Almost equal to cube root of 158.1 almost equal to 10.5 m. Answer. The radius of the ball is 10.5 m. Problem 11. The circumference of the base of a solid hemisphere is 17.6 centimeters. Find the cost of painting it at the rate of 5 rupees per square centimeter. Formulas used. Circumference 2 pi r equals 17.6 TSA of a hemisphere, 3 pi r squared. Solution. Find the radius. 2 pi r equals 17.6 implies equals 17.6 over 2 pi equals 2.8 cm. Find the total surface area. TS equals 3 pi r squared equals 3 times 3.142 times open parent 2.8 close parent squared equals 3 times 3.142.142 times 7.84 equals 73.927 superscript base cm n base squared. Find the cost of painting. Cost equals 73.927 times 5 equals 369.64 almost equal to 369.60 rupee. Answer. The cost of painting is 369 rupees and 60 paise. Here are the solutions for problems 12 to 15 with the basic formula and detailed explanations. Problem 12. The surface area of a solid sphere is 5,544 square centimeters. It is cut into two hemispheres. Calculate the radius of the sphere and the total surface area TSA of each hemisphere. Formulas used. Surface area of a sphere 4 pi r squared TSA of a hemisphere 3 pi r squared. Solution. Find the radius of the sphere. 4 pi r squared equals 5544. Substituting p equals 3.142. 4 times 3.142 times r squared equals 5544 implies r squared equals 5544 over 12.568. R squared equals 441 implies equal square root of 441 equals 21 cm. Find the TSA of each hemisphere. TS equals 3 pi r squared equals 3 times 3.142 times open parent 21 close parent squared equals 3 times 3.142 times 441 equals 4158 superscript base cm n base squared. Answer. The radius is 21 centimeters. And the TSA of each hemisphere is 4,158 square centimeters. Alert window. Alert. Surface area class 4,158 square centimeters. Problem 13. The outer and inner diameters of a hemispherical ball are 17 centimeters and 15 centimeters. Respectively. Find the cost of polishing it all over at 25 paise per square centimeter. Formulas used. Outer TSA 2 pi cap r squared. Inner TSA 2 pi r squared. Area of the top circular ring pi open parent cap r squared minus r squared close parent. Solution. Find the outer and inner radii. Cap equals 17 halves equals 8.5 cm equals 15 halves equals 7.5 cm. Calculate the total surface area. TS equals 2 pi cap r squared plus 2 pi r squared plus p open parent cap r squared minus r squared close parent. Substituting values. equals 2 pi open paren 8.5 close paren squared plus 2 pi open paren 7.5 close paren squared plus p open paren 8.55 close paren squared minus open paren 7.5 close paren squared close paren equals 2 pi times 72.25 plus 2 pi times 56.25 plus p times 16. Substituting p equals 3.142 equals 2 times 3.142 times 72.25 plus 2 times 3.142 times 56.2525 plus 3.142 times 16 equals 857.96 superscript base cm n base squared. Calculate the cost of polishing. Cost equals 857.96 times 0.25 equals 214.49 almost equal to 214.50 rupee. Answer. The cost of polishing is 214 rupees and 50 paise. Problem 14. The surface area of a sphere of radius 5 cm is 5 times the curved surface area of a cone of radius 4 cm. Find the height of the cone. Formulas used. Surface area of a sphere 4 pi r squared. CSA of a cone pi r L Pythagoras theorem L squared equals squared plus squared. Solution. Calculate the surface area of the sphere. 4 pi r squared equals 4 times 3.142 times open paren 5 close paren squared equals 4 times 3.142 times 25 equals 314.2 superscript base cm n base squared. Calculate the curved surface area of the cone. Let the CSA of the cone be cap A since the surface area of the sphere is 5 times the cone's CSA. 5 cap A equals 314.2 implies cap A dot equals 314.2 over 5 equals 62.84 superscript base cm n base squared. Find the slant height L. Pi r L equals 62.84 implies 3.142 times 4 times L equals 62.84. L equals 62.84 over denominator. 3.142 times 4n denominator equals 5 cm. Find the height using the Pythagorean theorem. L squared equals squared plus squared implies 5 squared equals 4 squared plus squared. 25 equals 16 plus squared implies h squared equals 9 implies h equals 3 cm. Answer. The height of the cone is 3 centimeters. Problem 15. The internal and external diameters of a hollow hemispherical vessel are 24 centimeters and 25 centimeters, respectively. Find the cost of painting the vessel all over, at the rate of 70 rupees per square centimeter. Formulas used. Outer TSA 2 pi cap r squared. Inner TSA 2 pi r squared. Area of the top ring pi open paren cap r squared minus squared close paren. Solution. Find the internal and external radii. Cap equals 25 halves equals 12.5 cm equals 24 halves equals 12 cm. Calculate the total surface area. Ts equals 2 pi cap r squared plus 2 pi r squared plus p open paren cap r squared minus r squared close paren. Substituting values equals 2 pi open paren 12.5 close paren squared plus 2 pi open paren 12 close paren squared plus p open paren 12.5 close paren squared minus open paren 12 close paren squared close paren. Substituting p equals 3.142 equals 2 times 3.142 times 156.25 plus 2 times 3.142 times 144 plus 3.142 3.142 times 24.25 equals 1962.89 superscript base cm n base squared. Calculate the cost of painting. Cost equals 1962.89 times 70 equals 137,402.3 almost equal to 1375 rupee. Answer. The cost of painting the vessel is rupee 1375. Task OBS